Welcome back to my channel, my loves. It's your girl Shayla Apri. Today's video is going to be on how I do my passion twist. And if you guys are interested, keep on watching. So as you guys can see, I'm just starting off with freshly washed hair, washed, conditioned, and blow dried. So next, guys, I'm just going to get my hair trimmed. I probably got it done about 4 months ago. I normally get it done about 3 or 4 times a year. We got to retain that length, guys. I'm trying to reach bra strap length. So we got to keep those edges trimmed so we can retain that length. So next, guys, you want to pick the braid pattern of your choice. And I just chose, I normally do all straight backs, but this time I chose to do 10 in the front, 10 across the front of my head, and then in the back, the 10 in the front got connected to 5 braids in the back, and you'll see it coming up, but that's the best pattern for me. Like that way I could do like swoop it on one side, swoop the passion twist on the other side if I wanted to do it, and that way it wouldn't look so spaced out. Because when you more, like say I only did like 5 braids across the front or whatever, like it would look super spaced out and crazy. So you just have to do and you could look up like a bunch of braid patterns on YouTube also, but this one was the one I chose. Ooh, y'all, look at that hang time. We getting there, we getting there. So what you want to do now, guys, I'm just taking my latch hook, and we need to get that long braid out the way. So I'm just going to crochet, and that's my hair. I'm just going to crochet that braid into my other braids. You'll just see me doing that. And you want to do this, like I said, to just get this out of your way. You can't just crochet over top of that. Now that we have that braid crochet down, I just took some needle and thread, and I'm going to sew this braid down, and that's just going to make it more secure, just so I can crochet my passion twist right over top of that braid. So y'all, the kind of hair I used, I actually ordered this hair off of Amazon, and it costs about $67, $68 per pack. It's the Tiana pre-twisted passion twist. It's not the hair. It's the hair that comes already twisted. So you literally could just take it out the pack and crochet it. The first one I showed you is the T1B27. I use that color, which is like a almost blondish. It's like the two-tone. It's the blondish with the kind of black mixed hair. And then the other one, I just mixed that with some just some 1B hair. So just the off black. So the off black and the blonde. I really like the 2 colors. Last time I did all black, but I really like the 2 colors mixed. So I'll definitely do the color in that again. And these were so super, like after I did it, they were so lightweight. I felt like my hair was heavy last time when I did the all black ones, but this time I don't know what it was, because the color ones actually look a little thicker than the black, the all black ones. But My head is definitely, it ended up being like lighter this time, so I don't know what was going on with that or what made it different, but that's the type of hair I use. And like I said, you can get that off Amazon.com, and it was about 67 or $68. And guys, there is about those little packs that I have right there that you can see. There's about like seven of those in each bag of the Tiana twist. And then on each strand, you know how they come with the little gold or the silver rings. So on each one of those, there's about like 12 twists. And I used about 10 or 11 packs this time. So next, guys, I'm just getting started to do the twist. And then the first thing I always do after I get my hair braided, I just have an oil mixture that I use, and it has like shea butter oil, castor oil, tea tree oil. There's a couple different oils in there, but just take that and go through your braids and oil your scalp down. And then I just take some oil sheen as well before I start the twist and just spray my hair with oil sheen. And then I'll probably oil my hair like maybe every couple days. I don't try to overdo it, but at least every couple days. All right, my love. So first you want to grab your latch hook, grab your hair. There's a little hole at the top because like I said, they're pre-twisted. So you want to put your finger through the hole. Take your latch hook. You'll see me putting the latch hook through my braid. And then in that opening, you want to open up your latch hook. Put your hair on the latch hook, close the latch hook, and then slide it right on through. And then once you do that, you can either loop the hair, and all you're doing is taking it through, just like if you was tying a lace. And you can do it once or twice. Sometimes you'll see it as I'm doing my hair, but sometimes I take it through once, sometimes I take it through twice. It really doesn't matter. It's a little more secure if it's twice, but I've never really had any fall out if I only do it once, so it doesn't make a difference. And then you'll just see me showing you one more time how to do it. Opening that latch hook, putting the hair on, closing the latch hook, and then bringing it right back through that braid that I stuck it through. Tying that down, putting that through the loop. Take that take that passion twist, put it through the loop, and then pull that the whole way down back to your braid, your cornrow. And that's all you have to do. You just do that all over your head. So guys, here as you can see, I'm back in front of the mirror. So I'm just filling around my hair, and I'm just filling for those like super spaced out spots. And you'll feel when you like fill around your head. If you could fit like two fingers in that spot on that cornrow, two fingers on the cornrow is way too many. So you need to fill in that spot at least with one twist. So that's what I was doing here, just filling around my hair for those empty spots and then going back and just filling it in. Alright, y'all. So here is the finished product. I'm all done. So I'm just taking some more oil sheen. You know I go a little overboard, but I like doing that. I go a little overboard when I first get them finished. After that, like I said, I oil them like maybe every other day or every 2 days, every 2 or 3 days. But here I'm just taking it, putting some oil sheen all over my head and on my scalp again. And more than anything, y'all, it feels good. It really soothes your scalp. But yeah, so that is it. Once again, that's the finished product. Passion twist, quick and easy. It took me about probably like maybe an hour to do. I don't really need a mirror to do them anymore. I was just sitting in my bed as you saw, just putting them in. So, like I said, it's something quick and easy. And now that we're working out more every day, so it's just a quick and easy style. These are perfect for workouts. Put your little scarf on, get your workout in, and be done.